Have you ever noticed that what happens to yourself when you're worried about money? Maybe your salary is almost gone, but payday is still a few days away. Kaya nga in Filipino, meron tayong na-coin na term na petsa de peligro, right? Because peligro is equated to danger. And the reason why we are sensing danger is because we have that emotion of danger. Maybe you receive a bill that you've been avoiding. Or maybe your credit card statement arrives. Or maybe you suddenly remember a payment that's due tomorrow. Meron pala akong bayarin. And those payments or bills that you have to pay are almost immediately. So, that somehow adds pressure to you. You feel something. The heart beats a little faster. Your stomach feels heavy. Your mind starts racing. And then you start to ask, what if I can't pay this? Paano kung hindi ako makapagbayad? What if something unexpected happens? Paano kung may nangyaring hindi inaasahan at hindi ako handa, right? What if I never get out of debt? Paano kung hindi ako makabangon sa aking mga utang? Paano kung hindi ako makapagbayad sa mga utang ko, sa mga pinagkakautangan ko? Those thoughts can be exhausting, nakakapagod isipin ang mga bagay na yun.